You can see the demolition continues. We have been working extremely hard on site, getting everything out of here. The crew is working on pulling up the subfloors and floors, and we're gonna go have a look and see what the previous builder did in here. Drywall stacked and ready to go in the drywall bin once the garbage bin in the driveway gets replaced. What we've got here is an interesting situation where I'm guessing the architect or designer of this home originally wanted to have site finished hardwood floors installed. So in order to do that, we've got floor joists underneath where I'm standing with plywood on top of that, with sleepers, these 2x4, 2x3 sleepers on top of that, and then lightweight in between that for the radiant floors that have been installed here. An unusual detail, to say the least. I'm guessing we're going to need to rip all of this stuff out to get the desired effect for this client. All right, so we're in the basement now, pretty much completely gutted. I'll do a little walk around so you can see how much stuff has been done. You can see the ceiling above, see the joists. The sleepers were running this way, and the floor the joists here are obviously running this way. So it's a very interesting detail. Down here, we're going to have a bunch of structural work to do. There's going to be steel beams being put in the ceiling here, new steel columns put here. There's actually a steel beam here already. I can't remember if there's another one down here. I think that's the only one that's the number of steel beams in this floor is going to increase in order to affect the changes we want to make upstairs. All right, so here we are upstairs. The big ask that we're trying to do is try to really open up this floor space. So here we're gonna see ultimately floating stairs going to the upstairs. The big ask is gonna be removing this column. There's a big beam running through here. There's a number of steel beams connecting to that beam. So in order to get rid of this, we're gonna have to put in a very large steel beam to go from there to there. How that goes in is gonna be an adventure, which we will surely share. So please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.